So we finally made it here. It finally quit raining. We got plenty of cars around here, bro. This is quite a bit. What the hell? Okay. Yeah, we're finally here, yo. So let's get some shots in.
say that I'm a bad kid, all because I paid for the stories that I made. All I think about is bad shit. I can't let myself, they just tryna take my wealth. People catch me lacking. Pussy nigga try me, I might cut you like salami. Shit, you it on yourself for your motherfucking belt, bitch.
thumbs up, thumbs up. Welcome, race fans, to Rockford Speedway on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. We're here with Elite Tuners and Summer Night Fest. Are you guys having fun? Three, trying to have a push from side.
Holy shit.
Great job. We're going to make it bigger and bigger. Now we do the way. We'll do it later on tonight. Let you guys cool off. Maybe we got something with this one.
You want to take that just a second?
Here we are at Rockford Speedway. Oh, my fault. Not a Jenny. I forgot my glasses at home. Excuse me. Fans, are you ready? Make some noise! Car number 2. Let's do it! Rockford Speedway is the place to be this Sunday. Alright, we're waiting for this SRT4. Fans, are you ready for this skittle? We're ready. Not too bad, huh? What do you guys think of? Well, this GTR sounds pretty good. Alpha GTR is up next. He's gonna roll out. Let me tell you something. He thinks he's a street car, but he's got a generator in the back. I see a fuel cell. He's got some laundry attached back there. Cook County GTR, the Alpha GTR. Lining up for a two-step. Let's make some noise for this GTR. Who's gonna think this wins? Yeah, boys! Let's get it! Bands, are you ready? All right, there you go. Make some noise. That's how it works. They two-step, you make noise, I say some silly stuff, we're all happy. All right, another Subaru. Where's he going? Hey! Does he know that the two-step competition's over here?
It's the best slap time I've ever seen. God damn it, I didn't know spectator drags were
They're going home. Hey, who said Toyota?
I'm not gonna lie, so far my buddy's GTI has been the best.
I'd say so.
Sure, lots of flames from the GTR, but
I don't think anybody wants to hear the Volkswagen again. I take it back. The fan asked, yes, have them make some noise. Oh, he aired out. That makes it. Hey, look. When you air out, the two-step gets louder. That's what happens. Air goes down, two-step goes up. I don't know. Science.
Science.
We need to hear the Subaru. Let's hear the Subaru. Let me tell you, the Subaru should have aired out more. Hey, look. You got a Subaru, the head gasket is already leaking. The reason why the trunk's not open is because there's a couple gallons of oil in there. We know this, it's fine. I feel bad for Tony. The track's gonna charge him a cleanup fee for leaking head gaskets or something. It's gotta be. All right, what do we got next? Who's next? Tony, who's next? Tell me who's next. What are we doing? Another Volkswagen? All right, that's the Eagle. Late entry out of Volkswagen. Hurry
pop the GTR!
Hey, that's later. All right. I don't know who said that, but don't ruin my life. That's my job. All right. You enjoy. I got it. Hey, I listened to the band of the night. It's his 30th birthday. Where are you at? 30th birthday. Which car you like the best? GTR? All right, that's his favorite. Let me tell you what's going on over here. I can't say it on, but you know.
Corvette better bring some ass.
2, 3. The fans want it. Do a burnout. Do a burnout. Burnout for Jesus. Make some noise for Chris Hill and that Supra. Hey, we're all family here. So save that for Instagram. Wait, was he doing a two-step? Hey, look. Chris Hill needed some help. He called in a reinforcement. Chris Hill needed reinforcement. All right, we're gonna wrap this up here. I want to hear the fans' opinions. Oh, we got 2 more contestants. Are they doing something? We got 2 more. Who wants to hear that Corvette? All the bald eagles coming out the back of that Corvette. Let's hear it. Corvette, do something. Corvette, hey, Corvette. I said do something. Corvette, use your big voice. Outdoors. Achoo! Alright, so we're gonna go to the next one. What's down there? What do we got down there? What's that? Trumpet gang, let's hear some trumpets, I guess. That's what fans want. That's what fans get. Wait. Hey, no, you forgot to turn it on. There was a button that's like, it turns it on. Tom? In the G37? Tom, I hear your name is Tom. Oh, the Corvette's on? Thank you. I practice in the mirror every morning. I think, man, when am I going to go to Rockford to Tony's event? Then I check my Instagram and guess what? I'm at Rockford to Tony's event. Whoop. This ain't Florida.
Hey, Tom, Tony, we've been calling you out for like a good 3 minutes over here. We want to hear that G35 do some two-step, otherwise you can leave the track. You can send it, or you can leave the track. Rip it, that's why we're here.
That wasn't me, that was the owner of the event. What happened? Make some noise. Coming to a parking lot near you this weekend, right here in Rockford. We have a G35. All right, before we pick who is the winner, we got one more two-step entry. Allow me a second. We got one more two-step entry. Ready? Sige. I know you remember.
Let's go!
Come on. All right, what do we got? With this purple Beamer? We got the red one. Subaru.
Hey guys, that's the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you're new, subscribe. And if you want to see more like it, hit that notification bell. I love going to these events. Hopefully we get some more around here soon. Maybe, I don't know. But you're seeing my buddy's Instagram right now on the screen. He let me use his car for the thumbnail picture, which is pretty cool. We want to be able to do more with that car, so more videos and some side edits as well. So if you guys like that, comment below. But I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.